My Bosch dishwasher is not cleaning the glasses and cups on the top rack, they have grainy residue in them. I am using Finish liquid rinse agent that is suggested. This is a common problem I have heard, but know that other people are able to fix it. Our water is considered very soft. Thank you.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So first I need you to run a quick test form. If you run a cycle with nothing inside except 4 cups on the top rack, 1 in each corner, facing upwards, when you open the dishwasher after 15 minutes, are the cups filling up with water?
We are currently using the dishwasher, but when the cycle finishes we will do the cup experiment and get back to you.
Okay, just let me know.
Hi Tyler, when the current load came out there were small pieces of food on the plates and silverware, just FYI. I did the experiment and all 4 cups were completely filled up with water. However, the bottoms of all the cups had the grainy sand-like substance in the bottom of the cups after starting the cycle and not using any soap. Help, dishes are all dirty.
Okay, so then your dishwasher is not the problem. The problem is that you're getting suds in the dishwasher, which causes the grains and such to float on the water. This is usually due to soft water if it's too soft. You will want to clean out the dishwasher by running a cycle with a product called Dishwasher Magic. That will clean out your dishwasher. Then you will want to use less rinse agent since your water is very soft and rinse agent is what causes the water to suds.
Okay, where do we get the dishwasher magic? At hardware or grocery store. Also, the grainy stuff is there even when the rinse container is empty. We'll try the suggestion and get back to you, thanks.
You can purchase Dishwasher Magic at Sears or sometimes other hardware stores/grocery stores.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.